Hi guys, you're watching Cooking with the Brown Chef. Now I'm gonna show you how to make the chili mayonnaise sauce. You can call chili mayo. It's really nice and easy one. So let's see what are the ingredients we need it for. So I got some salt and pepper. Then this is 150 gram of mayonnaise. If you follow my video channel how to make the mayonnaise sauce, you can find it out there. So I got 1 teaspoon lemon or lime you can use, that's fine. I got 1 tablespoon of chili flakes here. So let's see how we're gonna make the chili mayonnaise sauce. First of all, you can add some salt and pepper for seasoning according to your taste, and then you're gonna add the lime. Then you're gonna add the chili flakes here. So make sure you mix it properly. So I'm gonna try this one, how it tastes like. Oh, it's really nice. It's spicy and the lemonish flavor there. It's a perfect combination. So I love this sauce. You can dip with the chips or you can dip with seasoned veggies. It's up to you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to follow my video channel, Cooking with the Brown Chef. I'm gonna see you with a different video. Cheers, bye, thanks.